Welcome to Music Heroes. What is an interval? An interval is the distance between two notes. You can measure this distance in semitones or by scale degrees. Intervals can appear in two forms. Harmonic, notes played together, stacked vertically. Melodic, notes played one after another, horizontally. Intervals have two parts to their names: quality and number. Here's how to figure out the number of an interval. 1. Start counting from the first note. 2. Count every line and space, including the starting note, until you reach the second note. Quick practice. What is the interval from G to C? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is fourth. How about E to B? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is fifth. Fun fact: if both notes are on lines or both on spaces, the interval is an odd number, third, fifth, seventh. If one note is on a line and the other on a space, the interval is an even number, second, fourth, sixth, eighth. This quick trick can help you identify intervals. Each interval has a quality that you can determine by counting semitones. This is a table to follows. Looking at major semitones. Major plus 1 semitone equals augmented. Major minus 1 semitone equals minor. Major minus 2 semitones equals diminished. Example: C to E is a major third. It spans 4 semitones. C to E sharp is an augmented third. Plus 1 semitone makes it 5 semitones. C to E flat is a minor third. Minus 1 semitone makes it 3 semitones. C to E double flat, which sounds the same as D, minus 2 semitones makes 2 semitones. This is a diminished third. Perfect intervals include unison, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, and octave. Let's take C to F as an example for perfect fourth. A perfect fourth spans 5 semitones. Now, let's see what happens when we adjust that by a semitone. Perfect fourth plus 1 semitone makes 6 semitones. This becomes an augmented fourth. Perfect fourth minus 1 semitone makes 4 semitones. This becomes a diminished fourth. Oh yes! Remember that there's no major and minor in perfect interval. It's just perfect. Fun fact: did you notice F flat sounds the same as E? Why do we write F flat instead of E, even though they sound the same? It's because the number of the interval matters. C to E is a third. C to F is a fourth. So C to F flat stays a fourth, even though it sounds like E. All roads lead to Rome. However, this isn't the only way to identify an interval. If you know your key signature, you can use an alternative method. We'll cover that in Interval Part 2. Thank you for watching. If this video added value to your learning, please hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more. See you soon!